Welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to add a favicon, which is a website icon in Google Sites. First, visit sites.google.com, then enter the website you want to add a favicon for. Go to Settings, click on Brand Images, scroll down below favicon, click on Upload. If you don't have a favicon yet, you can use this simple website to create one for you. The website called favicon.io. Click on Generator. Yes, Generator. You can use the first letter of your website. For in my case, let's use B. You can select between a circle, a square, or a rounded, and instantly you can preview your icon here. You can also edit the font family, the variant, and also the size. Let's create a rounded one. Before I continue this tutorial, I would like to let you know that you can get access to my Google Sites online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Google Sites, building content, for example, how to write articles and upload videos or photos. Also, enhancing your Google site, like how to add an image carousel, a video background, a WhatsApp link, Facebook pixel. Also, publishing and managing, customizing and advanced features, like how to add sitemap to Google Sites, additional features like how to rotate images on Google Sites, how to resize images, print Google Sites. Also, another category of monetizing your Google Sites, for example, how to promote affiliate links on Google Sites. Special use cases for Google Sites, like how to use Google Sites to make a portfolio, a blog, a gaming website, how to create a login page, and finally managing your Google site, like how to index your Google site and also how to export it. If you want to get access to all of this today for free, and also my other free online courses inside my university, just go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue our tutorial. Let's create a rounded one. You can pick the text color from here. Let's use black, white, and use black for the background. Let's use another font. Now click on download. It will be copied or downloaded to your desktop. Because it's a zip file, you should decompress it before trying to upload it to Google Sites. Now on Google Sites, click on upload, locate the favicon on your computer and double click it, and it will be uploaded to your website, to Google Sites. Close this window. Don't forget to save your changes by clicking on this publish button. Click on it again, and let's view our website live. And this is how to add a favicon or a website icon in Google Sites. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe. Thank you.